Hello guys, my name is Juan Pablo and his partner is Juan Camilo. In this occasion, we will explain to ensambler and install graphics card. Let's go!
First off and wind cover the side cover of our chassis, and for this we will need a screwdriver.
We found some time, break each other's heart. Yeah.
We see if the PS look is compatible with the graphics card's look.
We also check in the graphics card needs power supply.
After TC2 ST, we will verify that a bottleneck is not generated with the processor and the graphics card.
You said don't look.
For this we share on Google. Once the page is open, we introduce the processor model and the model of the card, and the amount of RAM memory click calculate. If we see that the percentage of bottleneck is low, indicates that it's feasible to use this graphics card in full PC. Once verified that they are compatible, we proceed to insert the graphics card. In this case, we will use an RX 560 tape card that needs power from the power source, and instead it as follows.
Please don't hold me back. No.
We connect into our monitor displaying this possible time image scene and look resolution. This is because our graphics card is working at 100%. In order for our graphics card to work 100%, we will need to download its drive for this. We have to take into account the model or graphics card.
Now we open our share engine, and in the share the model of whole car we open the official page of the CM.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
Once we open the page, on it we go to support, drivers of utilities, and download the compatible with whole operating system.
Having the drive downloaded for the old car, we proceed to install as follows. At the end of the install, it will be necessary to restart the PC.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
Once the PC SSD are done, we proceed to configure the graphics card through the software we installed. In our case, we will do it as follows. And finally, we will verify the operation of graphics card, and for this we will use the video game can ask for larger amount of graphics memory.